Hello everyone, this is Revati working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology from SNS College of Technology. In our today lecture series, we are going to see about an important topic which is TCP Connection Management. Let's we move on to the topic. Imagine you are on a phone call with your friend. Suddenly the call drops. This is exactly what we call the dropped call problem in networking. So how do computers avoid this problem? That's where the TCP connection comes in. Now TCP stands for transmission control protocol. It is connection oriented, which means before sending data it first creates a connection between particular sender and the receiver. But interestingly, TCP works on top of IP, which is connectionless. So think of it like this. IP just delivers packets randomly, that means with the best effort. Then TCP ensures everything reaches correctly and in order. So the TCP creates something like a logical pipe between the sender and the receiver. The next we will see about TCP connection phases. There are mainly three phases: connection establishment, data transfer and connection termination. Let us see these phases one by one in detailed manner. The first phase is connection establishment. The connection establishment will be done using three-way handshake. This is the most important part of the TCP connection management. It happens in three steps, so we call it as three-way handshake. Then the step one is client sends SYN. The client says, "Hey, server, I want to connect." Then the step 2 will be server replies with SYN plus ACK signal. Then that means server responds, "Okay, I got your request and I am ready to receive." Then the step 3 will be client sends ACK. That means client confirms, "Great, connection established," and then the data will be transferred from sender to receiver. Then the next phase will be data transfer. Once the connection is established, data transmission will be starts from the connection established sender and the receiver. Here is something interesting called piggybacking. Instead of sending acknowledgement separately, TCP combines both data and acknowledgement together. This is called piggybacking. This will improve the efficiency and reduces the network traffic. The TCP also ensures that data arrives in order, lost packets are retransmitted, and there is no duplication of packets. Then the third phase will be flow control. Now imagine the sender is very fast but the receiver is slow, means what will happen? The data will get to overflow. So the TCP uses flow control to manage this. The receiver tells sender sends data at this speed only. This prevents connection efficiency and management. It will reduce the data loss. The connection termination phase. After communication is done, the connection must be closed properly. This is done using 4 steps. Client sends FIN, then server sends ACK, then server sends FIN, the client sends ACK. This ensures both sides safely close the connection. Then the extra concept will be half close and reset. One side stops sending data but can still receive. Then the next will be reset. If something goes wrong, connection will be terminated immediately. Then the next is vulnerability. TCP is powerful, but it has some weakness. For example, SIN flood attack. Attacker sends many fake requests, making the server busy and unavailable. So the security measures are very important in TCP connection. Then the final is summary. Let's quickly recap of this today lecture series. TCP creates a reliable connection between the sender and receiver, then uses three-way handshake. That means the first phase will be connection establishment, then the data transfer, then the last will be the connection termination. Then it uses flow control to manage the speed of data transmission. Then it will lastly it will close the connection properly. So overall TCP makes communication safe, reliable and organized manner. I hope today's video will give the clear idea about how the TCP connection will be happen in computer network. Thank you so much for watching.